Sea slugs, also known as nudibranchs, are colorful, shellless underwater gastropods that inhabit the ocean floor. Recently, some species of nudibranch have migrated north in California's deep and shallow waters. We talked to Terry Gosliner, invertebrate zoologist and curator for the California Academy of Sciences, for more about sea slugs.
Well, nudibranchs, and also commonly known as sea slugs, are basically snails that live in the ocean and they don't have a shell.
Before discussing their northward migration, we talked about nudibranchs' features and what makes them unique amongst the ocean fauna.
Nudibranchs are really colorful because they're advertising to potential predators that they're distasteful. Some of them utilize the sunlight and algae that they have in their tissues to undergo photosynthesis. So they want to increase their surface area to be able to receive more sunlight. A lot of nudibranchs have appendages that stick off of them so that they can increase their surface area for respiration.
Marine ecosystems are very complicated food webs in which everything relies on each other. Sea slugs play an important role as they limit the populations of poisonous sea creatures.
So we have a tremendous variety of nudibranchs in California. And for temperate habitats, we have one of the richest abundances of nudibranchs in relatively cold water and of any place in the world. If nudibranchs started disappearing, it would change the whole balance of marine ecosystems, and you can't predict exactly what the consequences of that is. And so we need to err on the safe side and make sure we protect this critical biodiversity that is found in our ocean.
While many people might be enjoying these colorful additions to the local waters, not all ecosystems are familiar with their presence, which could lead to major biome shifts.
As the waters with climate change begin to warm, we're seeing that species are extending their ranges farther north. In terms of potential negative impacts in the future, we simply don't know. And that's one of the reasons that as we change the diversity and the fauna of California with climate change, we need to be really careful of what those potential impacts are.
It's been great talking to Terry about sea slugs and the current events revolving around them. So far, the immigrating sea slugs have only caused mild side effects, but this could change quickly, for better or for worse. For In Focus, this has been Karina Tong, co-reporting with Brooke Breitenstein and Chase Kacher.